When the war becomes so strong, then security is the next option and is the remedy. Because this Ooni of Ife palace thing, according to how we dey take care am, e don dey comot from a simple something to a very complex war. Yes, so my people. So the information wey we dey hear now be say Kabiyesi don take a step to take security measures over Olori Calabash plan. Olori Calabash plan a very big thing, a very strong thing for Olori Naomi and Tadenikawo once she enter Nigeria. And we hear say she don dey threaten. She don dey threaten since say if she ever step her foot into this country, because she dey feel say na Olori Naomi na im go write petition to the hospital to make inquiry over her childbirth. Wey be say the hospital where she dey, where she talk say she born the pikin, they later send message across to Ile-Ife say there was no such burning of pikin there. Say wetin happen there na surrogacy for her own case. Now to confirm all the rumor wey dey waka around the social media say this Calabash son na surrogate son, but im wan deceive us, deceive Kabiyesi, deceive the whole Ogun State say na born she born am. Based on the information now we dey hear say she na surrogacy, because I go always tell una say I no sure of this, but na wetin dey sup on top social media. So Kabiyesi now decided to take absolute measure over this, and Kabiyesi has gone ahead to go and report to the airport. Yes, reported to the police, reported to the airport management, and the next thing they have to do is to the mounted security. Right now, if they say if you come airport, say security just dey corner by corner. The security wey dey now because of Calabash, wey be say if she come back to Nigeria, because we hear say e be like the hospital where she claim say she born, wey clear their name, e be like they don apply to the federal government of that UK, and e be like they wan deport am according to wetin we dey hear. Na wetin we dey hear be that one. So she don dey threa ten Olori Naomi say na Olori Naomi na im cause wetin dey do am, na im cause her predicament. Say na Naomi na im go report am, na im go dey investigate. Imagine, she talk say no other person fit do that kind thing, say na only Olori Naomi fit do am. Una dey feel me? Say no other person, no person fit just come out now say he carry the matter for head. Say na she and Olori Naomi as they drag their son crown prince, say na Olori Naomi na im fit do that thing. So saying that she's so sure that it's Olori Naomi that did it, and she's really coming back for her. She even announced it safe. She no even hide. Announce it in their WhatsApp group. Announce it to Kabiyesi. Make Olori Naomi, if Olori Naomi know wetin be good for am, make he just find a way comot from inside that palace. No be say she no dey live for palace again, but make she comot kpatakpata, make she no even dey near that palace again. Una dey feel me? So after she don give all those threatening finish, na im Kabiyesi begin to make arrangement for securities wey go grab am immediately. She dey step into the Nigeria, make those securities grab am, come give Kabiyesi, make Kabiyesi know wetin they wan use am do. If na to detain am, or if na, in fact, however Kabiyesi wan do. But the most important thing be say Queen Naomi now, wey she don send all those messages, say Queen Naomi even tell am say she sef she no dey afraid. Yes, because if e get as e go take beat pikin every time, e go dey beat pikin every time, e get the stage where e go reach. If you beat pikin again, pikin no go cry, e no go pain am. Pikin go say anything wey pikin wan do, e go say after all na cane I go chop, they no go buy person. Now they feel me, na that kind thing. So they know me don't know say say these people no need say they no go stop. You understand? I make she advise herself by herself to be strong for KBC, to be there for KBC, no matter what they're doing, that she has to be there and strong for KBC. Not they feel me. So you see, say Olori Naomi now is well prepared for Olori Calabash. So what you mean now for Olori Calabash to admit and say, okay, fine, you are ready for me, I am coming. But then KBC does not want such a fight. Even though we know say KBC feel no say Queen Naomi fit defeat am if they start the war. But KBC no even wants anything will go near Queen Naomi at all. When I defeat that kind of thing, so we hear say KBC don waka go arrange plenty security. So say no be one, no be only from state CID, even army. Say they food there. They don't give the instruction. Say once you see him land into Nigeria, just get hold of him, get hold of her. Yes, because it's me that will decide what I want to use her to do, as KBC has instructed. So I believe these people are going to carry out this order, because you cannot wait for her to be arrested at the airport and the baby carried straight for verification. So the battle had just begun between Olori Naomi and Olori Calabash. Yes, Olori Calabash, without her son, even hearing that Olori Naomi is pregnant, she is not happy. She is not happy, and maybe before you know it now, she will go and do her own. You see, because I know say all of them desperately need this baby. Yes, they desperately need them. So Olori Calabash is really ready, because she has announced a royal battle. She don't swear say Olori Naomi will not rest in that palace, and KBC will also show her that she will not rest. Yes, because with this security wey KBC don mount now, as she dey put head now, they go carry am immediately. They go. Yes, so and I go dey here make I inform una the way it go end, because as for Olori Calabash, I think her last days in the palace has already started counting down to her last days in the palace, because she can't continue this way. Her character is zero, everything is zero, and Queen Naomi has told KBC until he move this Olori Calabash away. Yes, maybe KBC want to start implementing all the promises he has made to Hôrrǒr Ooni, and that will be great. I don't know how true this information is, but that is what I'm hearing. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget that all these are alleged and speculated information making waves on the social media. I'll be right back. Love you.